Are you in the market for rough opals? We offer a vast selection of over 20,000 rough opal lots, specifically lightning ridge dark opal rough. When it comes to buying, we've noticed that roughly half of our opal cutters prefer single pieces, while repeat buyers tend to opt for parcel lots. What's your preference? It's no secret that everyone wants to get their hands on dark or grey opals with black body tone, and we can certainly supply those. Keep in mind, however, that the cutting process can be unpredictable, and some buyers may strike it lucky with a massive increase in value if they happen to cut a black opal. So, good luck to those willing to take the gamble. Fossil opals and opalized wood are undeniably breathtaking, but there's always a gamble involved when it comes to cutting clean stones. If the opals don't clean up perfectly, polishing them with inclusions may be the best option, though keep in mind that this can also result in a smaller stone. If you're interested in Andamuka rough, note that it's typically sold as a single piece due to its large size and frequent treatment. Meanwhile, Mintabi rough tends to come in smaller pieces that are sold as parcel lots, with larger pieces sold individually. For those seeking lightning ridge seam opal, individual pieces may be the best option to see the full range of color bars and potential cuts, while seam parcels can still offer good color. Crystal opals are often a favorite among inlay opal cutters, as most are clean and offer a clear view of the stone's potential. Whatever your preference, remember that the beauty of opals lies in their unique characteristics, and it's always a thrilling adventure to discover what each stone has in store.